Because I carve barefooted all the time.
Why do you do that?
It's spelled different, but it's kind of a nickname, Bearfoot, and I figured it would be good to make my business name that. Spell it, B-E-A-R instead of bear, but mostly because I carve barefoot. It's just easier to clean my feet off than it is to get it out of my shoes and socks. takes half the time.
Well, tell everybody where you're located.
Located in Terrell, North Carolina, at the corner of Highway 150 and Sherrills Ford Road. Come by and see me. See what I'm working on. Come watch me work.